So, I have 3 phrases I use to survive, not just on this canvas, but in the chaos of being alive. First is, why not? This is the antidote to fear. When the mind says you aren't ready, this mantra opens the door. It is the courage to begin. Second is, so what? This is the shield. So, you failed? So it looks messy? So what? It destroys the ego that thinks the world is watching your every move. It frees you to make mistakes and keep walking. Third is the most important, interesting. This is the alchemy. When life falls apart, you don't panic. You lean in, you replace judgment with curiosity. The philosopher and teacher Pema Chödrön said, fear is a natural reaction to moving closer to the truth. She teaches us that we shouldn't try to get rid of our fear or our mess. We should just get to know it. When you say interesting instead of, oh no, you stop fighting your life and start living it. Don't run from the mistake. Learn from it. Happy paintings and happy mistakes, people. And please don't forget to subscribe.